BDA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make simple and delicious chicken shawarma. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Dear friends, let's quickly go through the ingredients we have for our shawarma. A fine chopped onion and garlic, 1 lemon, we are going to use the juice, tomato paste, fresh yogurt, olive oil, chili powder, turmeric powder, minced spices, ginger powder, cumin powder, salt and pepper. Two teaspoons of minced spices, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, black pepper to taste, salt to taste. All the ingredients are mixed together nicely, so I'll add the chicken. For the ingredients, I will list all under the video description, so that if you want to copy, you want to write, you want to know the exact amount of spices I use, you can check it under the video description already. The smell is great. We will put in the fridge for minimum of 30 minutes so that the spices can really go into the chicken and get a nice taste of the chicken. So I'll cover and put in the fridge for 30 minutes before I start cooking. Set the stove to high heat and wait for it to be very hot before I start putting in the chicken. The pan is hot now. I put in a little olive oil. Here the chicken goes. The chicken has been cooking for almost 2 minutes now. So I'll check and see if, oh wow, looks lovely. Ooh. I like the color, very sexy. Now I'm going to start the sauce for the shawarma, and the better you make the sauce for the shawarma, the tastier the shawarma. How you make the sauce will make the difference. So I have 1 teaspoon of garlic, I use 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, 100 grams of mayonnaise, black pepper and salt. So I put 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, 200 grams, so I will use half. And then a little bit of salt, because the mayonnaise is already seasoning, and black pepper. We stir together to get our shawarma sauce. I like the smooth consistency of the shawarma sauce. It looks sexy. Now I will taste and see if we need to adjust something. Yummy! Everything is okay. Now the sauce is ready, chicken is ready. I'll work on the surface. I have to put some vinegar to sanitize the place to make sure it's clean of any dirt. Our work table is hygienically sanitized. So this is sag bread. In case you don't have sag bread in where you are, you can use Arabic bread or Lebanese bread. I will just divide it into 2. Everything is set for the shawarma. We have our chicken, lettuce, onion, tomatoes, and our shawarma sauce and the sag bread. So first, I'll put this one here, and then some sauce, not too much because I'll put some on top of the chicken. So this is enough. So we roll it over once and then go gently put this side inside, put this side inside, then continue the rolling very gently. Then we apply small sauce here so that it can stick to the edge of the bread together. Okay, push it in a little bit and then light up. Oh, hi, already hungry. The pan is very hot. A little olive oil inside. I spread it over. I really love this granite coating grill pan. It works very efficiently. So you will cook it gently, just for about 45 seconds. You will turn it over and see how sexy it looks. 45 seconds now. Oh wow, wow, wow. This is great. I love how crunchy it looks. The grill lines, I really love it. Okay, 45 seconds. Woo! Lovely. Let me just get the other side a little crunchy. Just about 15 seconds. It's okay. Boom! The other side, 15 seconds. And it should be okay. Boom! The first one is done. It looks very yummy. I love it. How it came out. Wow. This is nice. And I know the inside is going to be very delicious because the marination was nice. The sauce was nice, and look at how the bread came out after grilling. This is how shawarma should look like. Dear friends, the chicken shawarma is ready and it came out very nice. You can see how juicy it looks and how colorful it is. Please, this is very simple. The whole process will take you less than 15 minutes to finish it. Do try it at home and don't forget to give me comments. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.